Today, we're diving into the do's and don'ts for beginner triathletes. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, these tips will set you on the right path. Let's get started. Triathlon is about enjoying the journey. Embrace the challenge, but always remember to have fun during your training sessions. Find activities you love within each discipline to keep things exciting. Positivity goes a long way. Believe in yourself, celebrate your progress, and stay optimistic. A can-do attitude can make a huge difference in reaching your goals. Listen to your body. Progress gradually and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Staying within your capabilities helps prevent injuries and keeps you in the game for the long run. Especially if you're new to swimming, make sure to prepare for each discipline before your first race. Practice transitions and focus on building confidence, particularly in the swim. It can be a game changer. Triathlon is a continuous learning process. Analyze your races, identify areas for improvement, and apply those lessons to your training. Each experience is a stepping stone to becoming a better triathlete. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Enjoy the process and don't let the fear of failure hinder your progress. Consistency is key, but so is moderation. Resist the temptation to overtrain. Gradually increase your intensity to avoid burnout and injuries. While learning from others is valuable, don't rush to copy advanced techniques. Develop your own style and strategy. There will be plenty of time to refine your approach as you gain experience. Start with a manageable distance. Racing longer distances requires additional preparation and experience. Build up gradually to avoid overwhelming yourself early in your triathlon journey. This is crucial. Stick to what you know works for you. Race day is not the time to experiment with new gear, nutrition, or techniques. Stick to your routine to ensure a smooth race experience. So there you have it, do's and don'ts for beginner triathletes. Remember, it's all about enjoying the journey, learning from experiences, and gradually pushing your limits. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your triathlon experiences in the comments below. Happy training and see you at the finish line.